Okay, we will consider only this structure. Okay.
Okay.
Now for this, like I will go to general as usual support. So create a pinned or fixed support. So I taking a pinned support now. Just selecting this node, assign to selected nodes. Okay. Then go to property. Then we can go to define. See if you know which section could be better, because then you can go to the assign profile thing. This for auto suggestion. So that's why I'm just putting this add and also this add that too for steel. Okay, so that it will take automatic the member sizes. So I can just assign beam, select it, assign to selected beams, and then assign column, and you can just assign to selected beams. Then this also like we can take a beam itself, assign to selected beams. So okay, totally two properties, beam and column be taken. Okay, otherwise like you can assign beam to the whole view also because it is very small structure. Okay, very simple. Then like we can go to loads and definition, and we can go to the load case detail. Okay, so the dead load, then live load. Okay, then again like you add self weight. Okay, assign to the view. Then the live load I will consider the member load here. Okay, where is member load? Member load, uniform force minus 5 kilonewton. Add. Okay, then I can just assign to this member alone. Okay, okay. So like this, like you can add many loads, whatever you want. Like now I'm considering only self weight on this live load, uniform force. Okay, now like we can go to analysis and print as usual, all close. Now we can go for analyze, run analysis. Okay, we got the things. Okay, now we can stay in modeling mode. Then we can go to general and you can see this is automatically coming. Okay, but it is not assigned. But you can see only these two assigned, but it is coming automatically. Only after steel design we can see what actually the member sizes. Until now, like you can't see the 3D rendering. So you can see only the line diagram in 3D rendering. Okay, so you can go to design now, then steel design. Okay, then you can just select whatever you want. Yesterday we were trying AISC, na? So today I will select Canadian coach. Okay, so in that you need to select the parameter. So don't go for all the things. I told you na FU, FY. This is important for a steel. So that alone we can able to define. So you can add it. See, this is automatically coming with the round value, so no need to change. If you want, you can change also. Assign to the view, then assign to the view because everything is steel. Okay, then as per the thing, like we can go for commands. Okay, in the commands, like if you want, yeah, we will see now. Like I will go for commands. Like I don't have any group now. No need to go for group. Member takeoff and all not needed. So I can just go for select, then check code, then I can go for takeoff. Only this because we don't have group. Assign to the view, assign to the view, still takeoff, assign to the view. Okay, since it is like very small structure with a little members, I'm not going for group. So I just putting select and then we are putting the parameter, which means like a check code, and then we are going for still takeoff. Okay, then analyze. I told you now before when you double click, you will not get the after deflection the tab that you will get after the analysis successful. See, your model contains instructions. Okay, so you better put yes. Since it is very small now, it came quickly. Output file you can view. Okay, okay. Because of the pinned support, we are getting that one. So old formed steel design is not available for member. Okay, it is telling something because we selected the Canadian code, right?
Yeah.
But it is telling this takeoff. Okay, okay. So what we can do is we can just double click and we can see. So it is not coming. Why? Because we can change this to some other support. We will see how it will works. Okay. Because that Canadian code may be like different. Okay. What we can do just to go and change the fixed support. We will see. So this I'm going to delete. So create the fixed support. Select control and then assign to selected nodes. Okay. Now we will see the analysis. Now you will not get any instability and we will see zero error, zero warning and all. It's good. Okay. So steel design. So this is because of the code we selected. Otherwise, like everything is coming okay only. See, it is not coming. Okay, so what we can do, we can go to design. What if you are putting some other like parameters? Okay, otherwise, like we can go to the STAAD editor. See, yesterday it was not coming, today it was coming. STAAD editor, I'm going. So now what I can do is like I can just double click. You can see this one, right? Okay. I'm just going to select everything and you can put comment. When you put comment, so it will be hidden from the uh, STAAD input now, so that like steel reason again we can create as a new one. Now I will analyze and I will show you what actually it was. Without steel design, how the analysis the same you will get because we put comment there. We are not deleting, but we are putting comment. So you can see the steel design was not there because we put comment now. So now what we can do means like again we can select some other code book. Okay, so don't go for random things. So maybe we can try with the BS British code book. Select parameter and then only just select the yield stress. The yield stress is important. That is steel only. Now grade of concrete not needed. Okay, in this BS 5400, like we have only limited parameters. Okay, then we can just define only that yield stress of steel. I can put 550 triple zero. Okay, then I can assign to the view. Okay, then go for commands. Then we can go for a select, then check code. Then we can go for takeoff. Assign to the view. Assign to the view. Assign to the view. Okay, now we can analyze. View output file done. See now you can see now it is getting passed and you are getting the number. Okay, and here you can see what are all the things. Okay, steel takeoff. Okay, so now like you can just double click and you can see. Actually, it was not there. What about here? Why it was not there? So we can go here, select. Okay, by specification, all failed beams. Okay, actually it was okay, but here like we need to update the properties, right? That's why. Okay, so we can go to post processing and then click OK. Okay, we are getting the deflections, reactions, everything, right? Okay, okay. So the bending moment, shear forces, axial forces, and all. Control scroll down. Otherwise, I also told you. So symbols and label. You can go to scales, apply immediately, and here you can able to put some value. See, when you are increasing, it is like reducing the graphical like display. But when you are reducing, you can see the shear force. It's like more visible. Okay. That same way, you can also hold control, scroll down or scroll up. Okay. This one you are okay with, right? So what I told you yesterday, go to result, update property. When you put update property, okay, now you can see the 3D rendering. See now the members we got. So the still design is success. See every
Can you do like analyze now?
now analyze.
Yeah.
We done the analysis, so we got the result.
Yeah, but like after updating the probabilities,
Ah,
does not change the analyze.
no, no, you no need to analyze. We after the analysis, what the result? Na that only we are updating. So no need to go for again analysis. Again, if you are going analysis, again it will redo something with the iteration. So again confusion. So no need to worry. Since there is no failed member, na see then if there is no failed members, no need to analyze again and again. So we
Okay.
already got the members. So we can just go to modeling, then go to general, loads and definition. Then we can, this is for loads and definition. Yeah, property. Okay, so we can see when you click now, you can see how the members are coming. See, these two members are similar, and this is like a different, and this is like we don't have at all, but this we have. Okay, like this like we have. Okay, the connection, if you are grouping now, if you're grouping all these three under one and then this alone separately, then you will get a similar thing yesterday we done for grouping and all how to do. Okay, if the same, if same also, if you want like all together in one group, control A, control G. Okay, now we can put the beams, then beam, click OK, associate. Okay, now we have everything in one single group. So all members should be similar. So we will see how it will work. Then go to design. But before that, go to STAAD input. Okay, then double click. See, again, I am just going to put this one. Okay, comment. So that it is not erase. We are not erasing, but we just taking out of the like computer. Okay, so when you are analyzing again, like you can see without steel design. Again, we can do one thing. We can delete in
Yeah,
that.
it's like hidden, like
Making
we hide it.
hiding that. Yeah. See now you in the output file. No need to see the. We can't see the steel design. But once we go again and we can do. Okay, so again like AASC, right? Okay. What is Mexican? We will try. Select parameter. Okay, again for steel, see these two in all regional code you will be having. Okay, so define parameter. See here it is coming like something different based on the Mexican. What we can do like 415 000 add yield 250 000. Okay, that you need to assign to the whole view. Then we can go to commands. So now you need to go for select first. Select, you see, since everything is selected already, we can directly assign it. Okay, select and then fixed group, assign group. You can go for, yesterday we tried this one, right? So today I will try this one, assign. Okay, then like we can go for a check code, assign. Then we can go for a member takeoff, assign. Okay, based on the group, like we will see how it works. So we directly assigned it. Now we used to add and then we assign later. Now if you are selected like this, control A, then we can assign from the commands itself. Like we are removing the second job. So we are like saving our time. So now I can go for analyze. You can put yes. Okay, one error. What is this? Ah, no, no, we're not getting any error. That is like whole, no, above line contains erroneous data. Data check mode is entered, but we got the results. So you are getting a pass, pass, pass. No, but error also there. In which above line contains erroneous data. This one. Okay, this one, right?
Yeah.
That you can edit the command. Okay, then just go for AX alone, assign. That it is just telling failed to modify. Okay. So delete it. Then we can go for commands. Then group with AX and then add. Okay. Then assign to the, so select by group name, assign to the selected beams. That doesn't matter actually. That's what like we did already. So edit the command, like you will be having Mexican. Select and then check code we have and then parameter. So we can go to STAAD editor. So we have many parameters. Parameter one, parameter two, fixed group, parameter three, code Mexican. Okay, okay. Actually, this parameter six na, we can just control X, control X. Then what we can do means like after this, like we can put control V. Okay, now like you need to be careful when you're doing like that. Then yes, we will see whether it is working or not. Go for analyze. Hmm. See, now it's working. Okay, so you can see. Can you see that? Like because of the grouping, like you are getting everything same. Otherwise, it is different. See, each and every member is different. Because of the group, like we got everything similar. So you can see the steel takeoff. Okay, like 8, 16, 23. Together it is showing and also the separately also showing. And you can see the same kilonewton. Got it? We analyzed based on the
Yes.
Mexican. So I never tried it. So you can use any of that. See, still we are getting the, if you know the concept, then you can work with any of the codes. I mean, okay, it is working correctly
Yeah.
only. Okay, now you can go to post processing. Then you need to update it. Otherwise, like you can see the, it was like old one. It was not the, see, if you want to show me the, if you want to see the, uh, profiles, like what we can do, you can see here symbols and label, right? So here, like beam spec. So you can put shift A, otherwise you can put apply. So shift A, it is not working. So what we can do, just to go for result update property. Yes. Okay, now you can go for shift A. No, because of the auto member selection, now it is not showing, but we can see the rendering. Now it was changed. All having similar member. Okay, got it.
Yes.
So you can go to the modeling, then you can go to the general, and you can see these are all the things not needed. Only this is needed. See, it is getting highlighted because it is telling reference 4. So reference 4 is W8 cross 24. Okay, so very simple. So with the simple, if you understand, then it is easy for you to work with the complex things. Okay,
Okay, I will like practice on it more.
okay. Then we can also go for RAM connection, which is out of syllabus. Like I will tell you. So for steel members, now it will be like a bolted or a welded connection. Now, so that's what we are going to do with this one. So what we can do means just to select the node and then select the node you want. Only this node I want. Okay, then like what kind of connection? Basic connection, smart connection, gusset connections like that. If I'm going for smart connection, okay, and you can select the regional code books. I will continue with the same American. Okay, and you can just go here and select what are all the methods you want. Okay, so you can select anything. Okay, if I'm selecting this one and then if I'm selecting this one, then click OK. If possible, like it will create the connection. You can see it's creating the connection. You have like lots of option there. It is like directly weld. Okay, just double click it. See, when you double click that, then it will go to the RAM connection separate window. So now what we can do, just you can go for orbit, 3D view, DXF files. See, this is showing the welded connection. You can see how it is in the DXF and also the 3D. And you can rotate and see how you can rotate. You can just go like this. You can see how it was welded. See here it was welded, right?
Yeah.
Okay, and here also we can change all the things and you can save here also. This is like out of syllabus. Anyway, now you are knowing what it is. Okay, now I'm closing it. And even you can see the results. See results. When you go for result, you can see here everything is getting passed at the values and all. Okay, then you can go for a data. See, you can see how the things going on. Okay, okay, this one is a RAM connection. Okay, if you are going for optimize, then it will try to optimize also. This is like some completely different thing. Okay, now I will close it. Okay, now if you are double clicking this one, that one, first one is different, this one is different. Okay, now like you can see here how it was welded and all, and you can see the DXF for this. Got it. These things and all
Yes.
you can change it. Once you change that also, it will update here, and you can like send this report to the fabrication unit. Okay.
Nice.
Okay, I'm closing it. Now this is what RAM connection. Okay. Now like if I'm going here and I'm going for a basic, not smart connection. So in basic, like again, I'm going for a okay beam bent plate. Okay, and then we can also go for some other things here. So if I'm going this way and then selecting everything, click OK. Okay, no connections have been assigned. One DSF joint has been created at node 4. Okay, if it is not possible, it will not come. Okay, you need to select accordingly. Okay, if you're going for this one, all bolted, then click OK. No connections have been assigned. Okay, it's not possible, I guess. Then we can go for a smart connection. So smart connection, and I selected everything, then click OK. Hmm. So now you can see something created. So smart connection in the sense it will try to create smart things. Just double click there and see. Before we are having welded, now I was trying to do the bolted connections, and you can see how it was bolted. There is one option to rotate this one, but okay. So you can see how it was like all the ways. Okay, we can also see the DXF, and you can see the bolt details and also the spacings, everything. Okay. So okay with the steel design and RAM connections, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay. And there also you can see after see it was coming here the results and all. See the same for one by one. You can see the details, results, drawing results, and this is like seismic frame. This is like connection. Okay. And you can also just see the Word document that reports. Okay, so you can just select everything and you can go for a okay, then that it will be exported to the folder. Okay, in Word document. Okay, the same way you can also go for report here. How you can go for post processing? In the post processing, you can see reactions and all as usual. But apart from that, reports. In the reports, like you can select whether you want input reports or output report. I want output reports. Then when you click OK, only the output related things it will come. Zoom in, zoom in, zoom in. The only that is possible. The next page like this, you can see the reports. This is related to the output. That's why like we are getting this much pages. As a booklet, you can also save this. When you print, you can print to PDF. Okay, that report. So in the report, like you can select whatever you want. Okay. Then if you want to just capture, see here, take picture. So whole structure. So what we can do is like I can go to general. So I can go to the loads and definition. Then like as this one, like if you want to take this picture alone, okay, so take the picture, okay, UDL, then click OK. It's saved now. This we can do in the post processing in the reports. Okay, only the pictures. See in the picture, it will come only this one. Then that alone also you can print. Like this, you can have many pictures in your output reports. Now you understand, right? How to take the picture and how to put that in the reports.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. So very simple. Like these things definitely going to help you in your college projects and also in your future. Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
let's like finish it here. I would like practice on something we did.
Okay. Okay. So today also we seen steel design only. Yesterday it was elaborate for
Yeah,
that truss model, but today was simple structure. We got like these things. Okay. So yesterday
okay.
and today also I was selecting in the property define like this is like automatic profiles. It will try to show you the economic profiles. But if you want, like you can also create your own see this kind of things if you want. I sections. This is like tapered I section. So in the real life, in some situation, we can also create our own tapered sections. Okay, tapered tubes and all. But if you don't want, like if it is like fixed things, then you can go to section database and where you can select I section, C section, double angle, angle. So sometimes you will be having this number knowingly, like you need to put and you need to analyze and you need to see whether it is getting pass or fail. Then you need to go here and select the specific number. This is automatically coming now, so you should not go always with automatic. In the real time, like they will put something from the database and they will analyze, and if it is getting failed, they will put more sections like that. Okay, more uh, more thicker sections. So you got the point, right? Like so that like it will be easy.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay then.